Children, welcome back again in your SST classes. Hope you all are healthy, happy, and most important, you all are enjoying the new way of learning by online classes. So, here I'm coming with the new chapter, but before we start, I have some questions for you. Have you ever thought that in your surroundings so many helpers are there? Now, I guess you all are thinking helpers. Which type of a helpers in our surrounding? Okay, don't worry. I have a solution for you. Just do one thing is start observing your surrounding. Okay, and you will definitely surprised to see a variety of people doing different kinds of work. For example, if I'll give you my house example, so in the morning first milkman came and gives the milk. Second, the newspaper vendor gives the newspaper. Then a vegetable vendor comes in my colony and give up fresh vegetables and fruits. And a sweeper also these days due to the virus, they also come in the morning and cleans the road. So you all are able to understand there are several peoples who do different kinds of work. Not a one person do all the work. Okay, because practically it cannot be possible that a one person can be a doctor, a teacher, a shopkeeper, a police officer, etc., all at the same time. We need the people who are experts in their respective fields. Respective field, that means in their field. And it is with the help of these people, then our community become the better place. So many of you are not friendly with the word of community. Okay. So, for example, at home, you live with your family members, right? And members of the family also helps each other. So that family also comes in a community. And for example, you are going to your friend's house, and your friends also do help in your assignment or in your holiday homework or anything. So that friends also comes in a community. Your neighborhood, okay, your neighborhood also do lots of helps whenever you are in need. Okay, because neighborhood calls another family member, so they also do lots of helps whenever you are in need. So that neighborhood also comes in a community. So for a happy life we need help from many people. Either it is your family, either it is your friend, either it is your neighborhood, or wherever you'll go. For example, you're going to your village, or town, or cities. So you need the help. Without help, you cannot do any work, because a single person cannot do all the work, as I earlier told you. So people who helps in our work that are called helpers are community helpers. So for example, doctor, teacher, okay, tailor, vegetable vendor, washerman, these all comes in a community helper. So let us learn about different occupation and profession that people do in our community, our neighborhood. So children, I hope you all guess the chapter name. Yes, your next chapter is community helping each other. What is community? Although I explain you, but there's a quick recap. Community is a group of people living in the same locality and helping each other. Community का group of people, जो भी एक peoples का group है जो living in the same locality, मतलब wherever you are living they are living at the same place and helping each other, और एक दूसरे की help करते हैं, they comes in a community. Okay, because basically जो हमारी human society is totally based on cooperation and helping each other. So if we will not cooperate and if we will not help to each other, our human society cannot. And human society made with us, and we cannot do all the works together. So it will create lots of difficulties. And also we should understand that there are people who perform different types of a job. They also helps the community in a different ways. Now different types of job means the people who are vegetable vendor, the people who are a washerman, a milkman, that work is also important, because so many of you are thinking that who all are doctor, engineer, are soldier, is there, that is the most important work. These work is not that much important, but actually all the works are important, all the jobs are important. Therefore we should respect and honor people of all occupation and professions too. So, what is community helpers? Community helpers are the people who offer services to us in our everyday life. Okay, जो भी peoples हमारे everyday मतलब रोज की life में जो भी हमें services देते हैं, and we pay money for that service which they provide. So that people are called a community helpers. For example, a milkman, a washerman, a vegetable vendor, a doctor, a teacher, so on. ठीक है. So let us meet some community helpers. Okay, the teacher. Okay, so we study in the school where we learn to read and write. No school can be without a teacher, because teacher teaches us many things with lots of love and patience. A teacher also makes futures doctor, engineer, and other professions for the careers. Now next, the washerman. A man who washes dirty clothes and iron them nicely. Okay. He is one of the useful member of the society. He serves the higher classes by washing their clothes, and his services are also very essential. People, especially in towns and cities, depend upon his service. Mostly the people who are living in cities and town area, they need washerman for their service. Mostly in village, the peoples not prefer the washerman to washing the clothes. Okay. Now the next one is a vegetable vendor. A vegetable vendor, a person who sells fresh fruit and vegetables, and everyone buys vegetables and fruits from him or her. Sometimes he delivers things at home also. Nowadays you are able to see so many vegetable vendors come in your colonies and give the fresh vegetables at your place. Okay, so our next community helper is a tailor. So a person who stitches our clothes, uh, that is known as a tailor, and his shop is in a market, his or her shop. Okay, and mostly he stitches new clothes, and sometimes he mends torn clothes and alter the clothes too. Alter the clothes means sometimes when we become fatty or when we become thin, so they alter our clothes according to our size. The policeman. Have you ever seen the policeman? And nobody can say no, ma'am, because nowadays you can see everywhere the policeman. Okay, so the police is our friend, he is not our enemy. Okay, they look after the law and order in our area. They arrest those persons who are thief or those who are not following the rules. So we can always go to the police station to take the help of the policeman or woman. Here she is a friend in our need. They are not our enemy. So don't afraid from them. Okay. So the next community helper is the doctor. When we fall sick, we go to the doctor. When we get hurt while playing on the ground, a doctor applies a medicine to cure the wound. And a doctor also take care of our health by giving the routine checkup and helping the sick and injured patient too. And nowadays you are able to see the doctor becomes a god who fighting with the virus. Okay, and children, one more thing, in the village there are small dispensary opened by the government. Do you know that help the poor to get the primary health services? And cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta have many big hospitals. So the good health of the people make the country strong and happy too. So just be healthy and take care. So the soldier, our next community helper, he serves in the army. He also protects our country from the enemies, and he also helps in a rescue work when there are floods or earthquakes. Whenever the floods and earthquakes comes in our country, they rescue the family members and the people who are stuck in that floods and earthquake, so they help them. And also everybody knows that Indian army as another name of courage. What is the another name of Indian army? That is a courage.